The words squeeze page or lead capture page or you need a list are familiar to you. The best definition I have, a squeeze page is a page configured to get names and email addresses. With other words, it's a page which bears an opt-in form, where a potential buyer must fill in. Each squeeze page focus is on a single goal, getting the visitor to become a subscriber or buyer. The parts are as follows: a compelling title, an introduction, a bulleted list of benefits, a picture of the product, or e-cover, an opt-in form with a call to action, optional audio or video, a signature of the list owner, sometimes a picture too. Quiz pages templates usually fall in three categories. You tell nothing except you offer a free report. You tell the advantages of your product in a bulleted list. Video squeeze pages. You'll need an autoresponder service. You can find these by searching Google. Use an opt-in box. This can easily be gotten directly from your sequential autoresponder service such as GetResponse. GetResponse lets you try it for free. We will use that for our sample. Go to http://www.getresponse.com and sign up for the trial. You will be redirected to this page. Make sure to check your email to verify your account. Next, we will create a web form. Click on Create a Web Form. Next, choose a template. You will see that you can edit the headline, name and email fields as well as the sign up button, the size and the footer. Once you have it how you want it, scroll down and choose Next. Next, name your web form. You will also need to choose what type of thank you page you will be using. The default page will let the person know they have subscribed. Custom page will let you redirect the person to your sales page or wherever you chose. Stay on current page is self-explanatory. Go to the next step. Now you will choose how the web form will be installed. The easiest method if you will do it yourself is to choose JavaScript. Highlight and copy the code. Or if you prefer, you can choose the HTML code. Your new web form will now show up on your web form list. You can then send your free report or whatever by using follow-up emails. First of all, make sure you are in the correct campaign. Next, we will choose what type of message we want to create. For the purpose of squeeze pages, we want to choose Create Autoresponder. You will set the day you want the email to go out on. In this case, it will be day 0 to send your free report immediately. You'll make sure you are in the correct campaign and enter the email text. You'll put in your message name. Put in the subject of your email. Then choose your template from the choices or you can opt for plain text. Now you will enter your welcome message and the link to whatever gift or information you are supplying. You can wrap along lines that go past the suggested width and personalize as well. Then go to the next step. Make sure everything is set correctly and go to the next step. You will now see your email in a list of what is scheduled. You will open the template in the editor and replace the appropriate text. There are a lot of places where you can get free templates if you search Google. Commonly, this will require some simple to-do editing to make them unique to your particular niche and your offer. Just put free squeeze pages in Google search box, and you will get a long list of offers. You're not going to be unique using them, but you may use them to begin. To be unique, you have to utilize your design or a paid pro design. In order to edit these templates, you might want to download a free HTML editor. These are simple to use and you may quickly and easily make whatever changes you want with a simple to use WYSIWYG format. Then you will place the JavaScript code from your autoresponder in the HTML view. Save it and put it on your server. The design of your squeeze page isn't the only thing that will encourage your visitors to sign up. You will also need a quality freebie to offer them. Make your call to action strong. Don't assume people will know what they're supposed to do. For the most part, Individuals don't like to have to make decisions, so you want to design your squeeze page so that you guide people. You always need to have your own squeeze page in your own domain to collect names and emails for your own list. Generally, when the visitor clicks Submit button on your opt-in form, you redirect them to the sales page. Note, this is set when you make your opt-in form in your autoresponder. Next, we will look at how to build your list from affiliate marketing.